Switching over to trackers, which is a Codebeamer specific word for logical containers, we see how the lifecycle stages are broken down and visualized in a tree structure. From product requirements stem hardware and software requirements, each with its own architecture and tasks. In the middle, you see various widgets showing how we are progressing with our project plans, what's the cadence of task completion, team activities, and requirements coverage with the ability to add more. Opening the configuration diagram, we see a different visual representation of the trackers. The arrows signify bidirectional traceability and show how the underlying database is structured. As Codebeamer is not only a tool for requirements but test management as well, we can add their corresponding test case trackers, one for hardware and one for software. These test cases allow planning, editing, and reusing tests and test plans. Naturally, you also have the option to execute those tests in their test run tracker. Let's check out the product requirements. Work items like these can be manually added to a tracker, imported via Word, Excel, RecIF, or even API. What you see here is called a document view. Left-hand side is the tree view for your work items. In the middle, we have the detailed specifications such as description, images, and diagrams. And on the right-hand side, we have the specific attributes when an item is selected. These attributes vary from tracker to tracker, and it's completely configurable. Not only you can store information in a textual or numerical format, but automated calculations can be created to simplify tasks and to give you as much information as you need in one place. The library allows reuse through drag and drop, and we can either reference the original associated to another work item or create a copy of it. Different colored statuses represent the work item's current place in the life cycle.